Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Brooks here from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make tzatziki sauce. It could be a sauce, it could be a dip, it could be a spread. Very popular in Southeast Europe and in the Middle East, made with yogurt, garlic, cucumber, lemon juice, and herbs. It's a very refreshing sauce. You can use it in pita sandwiches, gyros for example. Here I have it served with some cured salmon and grilled halloumi cheese wrapped in zucchini. And here it is served with some spiced roasted romanesco and feta cheese. And today I'm serving it with a puff pastry lamb pie. First, I'm gonna get some fresh mint from the garden. We will be using one large cucumber. Cut it in half and scrape off the seeds using a spoon. Then, grate the cucumber using a heavy grater. Next, wrap the grated cucumber in a few layers of paper towel and squeeze out as much liquid as you can. Add the cucumber to 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. Then finely chop about 1 tablespoon of fresh mint leaves and 1 tablespoon of fresh dill. And add the herbs to the yogurt. Next, crush 2 cloves of garlic and add it to the mixture. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Season with salt and fresh ground black pepper to taste. Add a good drizzle of olive oil and mix everything to combine. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. I'm adding a bit more salt. As I mentioned earlier, I'm serving the tzatziki today with a puff pastry lamb pie. Some pomegranate seeds and some fresh dill for garnish. And it is time to eat. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.